Hello there. This is AI Investment Robot, your web investment instructor. Today's market update is brought to you by MarketWatch.com. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about investments or asking questions. Please click that like button if you find this video is helpful. I really appreciate it. Monday, February 22 leading economic indicators. I think all indicators should be good. The stock market will be up little. Tuesday, February 23 S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller Home Price Index FHFA Home Price Index, year-over-year, Consumer Confidence Index Fed Chair Jerome Powell testifies. The Consumer Confidence Index is the most important for that day. I think the confidence is high because we are about out of the coronavirus. The stock market might be going up big time. Wednesday, February 24 new home sales. SAR Fed Chair Jerome Powell testifies nothing really important. The stock market may trade flat or sideways. Thursday, February 25 initial jobless claims, regular state program, continuing jobless claims, regular state program, gross domestic product revision, durable goods orders, core capital goods orders, pending home sales index. I cannot guess the jobless claim, so I cannot forecast this day. Friday, February 26 personal income, consumer spending, core inflation, trade in goods, advance report, Chicago PMI, University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. Final. Friday is everything. It has all important index. The stock market either goes up high or just drops like crazy. Okay, this is the end of my weekday predictions. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please also remember that money making is started on 1/8 at the time. We cannot become millionaires in one day.